What's up guys, it's EasyJet and today I will show you how to build this EasyJet Airbus A319. You will start by building the wings. So you will need this 6x3 angle piece, then this 1x2, you place it here, then this 1x2 flat piece, you place it here and try to angle it like that. Then you take this piece, then you put it here like that. You take your wing and place it right here. It should look like that. Now we'll build the main fuselage. First we'll be needing this 1x4, then you take this 1x2, place it here, then the 1x3, place it here like that. Then a 1x1 flat piece, place it here. Then a 1x3, place it like that. Then this 1x2, then another 1x2, a 1x1, then another 1x1, place it on the back like that, and a 1x4, then this dot which is transparent, it should look like that, then a 1x1, place it here, then this 2x3, you place it here. Then you take a 1x2, place it here, then another 1x2 here, 1x2 here, 1x1 here, 1x3, another 1x3, then a 1x2, place it here, 1x1 here. Then you will take a 1x1 and place two 1x2s on it, then you place it here, I think, no, so you will place it, you place it here, then you take your 1x1, place it here, then a 1x4 flat piece, place it here, 1x6 flat piece, place it here. Now we'll build the horizontal stabilizer. So you will be needing this 1x2, and this piece, a 1x1, which is like that, then this piece, place it here, a 1x3, like that. Then you will take this, you place it here, then take your, it should look like that. The landing gear, we'll be needing this 1x1 flat piece, and this piece you place it here like that. Then take your fuselage, you place it here in the middle like that. Then and then the rest you place it at the back. You try to put it straight like that. Then your two wings, one here and one here. Okay, that's your Lego Airbus A319. Thanks for watching. Bye.